Have you ever had Wingstop corn? I'm done. So I came up with my version of Wingstop corn. Get yourself some corn, get yourself some butter, ranch seasoning, and Cajun seasoning. I'm going to melt this butter and I'll be right back. You're gonna make sure all these little hairy things are off. You're gonna wash your corn, dry it. All right, we got the melted butter. We're putting in some ranch seasoning, as much or as little as you want. I got some Cajun seasoning. This is the ticket right here. Use more or less depending on your spice preference. Now you're gonna take your little thingy thing. I got this from the dollar store. Dip it in, and we're going to coat the corn. You're going to coat the corn until it's completely incorporated. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's in the air fryer. That's what it should look like. Look how gorgeous. Are you ready? We're gonna put it in. Uh-oh, it's not plugged in. Put it for 370. We're gonna put it in for 12 minutes. Let's get going, and I'm gonna see you when I get back. What? What? Look at this. What? Oh my God, we gotta taste it now. Here we go. Put a little ranch on this baby like that. Are we ready? Are we ready for this? Oh my God. This is so absolutely. I can't even get over the taste on this. You have to try it, guys. You must try this.